ED sources has sanction also received for Manish Sisodia is what we are picking up in the money laundering case, the very case in which Arvind Kejriwal has in fact been, prosecution has been sanctioned by the MHA. Manish Sisodia also has, in the very same case, has received prosecution sanction. Let me now go back to my colleague Arunima on this. Arunima, after Arvind Kejriwal, it seems Manish Sisodia also has in fact received the prosecution sanction. And the defense that has been coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party time and again has been that whoever were involved in this big scam, alleged scam, are out on bail. So what is really the proof that is there with the ED is the question that has been always asked by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Yes, and that proof will be presented in the court as and when the next hearing begins. I think 30th of January, in all likelihood, the Rouse Avenue Court, the special PMLA court, will take up this matter. So just 5 days before Delhi votes, Delhi voters make up their mind, this matter could be heard in the court of law. You're absolutely right. Enforcement Directorate is claiming that not just for Arvind Kejriwal, they've received sanction to prosecute Manish Sisodia as well. If you recall, Manish Sisodia was one of the first ministers to be taken into custody because he was a minister in charge of excise at that moment, and it was much later that Arvind Kejriwal was questioned in custody by the ED and the CBI. So 30th of January, the ED says that they have received the official sanction from MHA. They could produce that, and they would argue that now the stage is set for immediate framing of charges because this matter has been pending for quite some time. If that legal argument by the ED's lawyers is accepted by the court, it would essentially mean that just 5 days before Delhi voters make up their mind, Arvind Kejriwal would not just be charge sheeted, but his trial process could also begin in the PMLA court.
Also, Arunima, I believe it is going to be a PMLA court that will be hearing the matter. Like you said, it is going to be 5 days before the election. What exactly is the date and what can be expected in that hearing?
30th of January, in all likelihood. So the last date of hearing, matters came to a stall because Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers kept arguing, and they went to a higher court also, saying that the lower court, the PMLA court, cannot take cognizance of the charge sheet because the sanction to prosecute Kejriwal and Sisodia is not part of the file. The sanction has not been received. Now, it's something which is required under law, and Supreme Court has also asked the Enforcement Directorate to go ahead and receive this sanction as well. This is a section of CRPC 197(1) of CRPC, under which CRPC asks you to follow a certain procedure. So under 191(1) of CRPC, Supreme Court had mandated ED to go ahead and receive particular sanctions in particular cases without prejudice. So that process has now been followed, and on 30th of January, ED could ask the court that now that I am producing the sanction to prosecute before you, please go ahead and frame the charges and ensure that the trial process begins.
All right. Thank you, Arunima, for getting us all those details. The war of words is only going to escalate as MHA has given permission to prosecute Arvind Kejriwal as well as Manish Sisodia just ahead of the Delhi election.